Young man, do you know anything at all about land?
I believe so, yes. That's why I was sent down here.
Uh-huh. Well, when you go back down that ferry, you just pick up a handful of that soil. That's real bottom.
And thousands of tons of it are being washed away every year. Mrs. Garth, you don't love the land. You love your land. You know the Tennessee River has been a killer for years. Year after year, it's taken God knows how many lives. Isn't it just plain common sense to want to harness it? And you know what that will mean? Today, 98% of the people in this valley have no electricity. The dam will bring them the electricity.
I expect that's what you call progress, isn't it?
And you don't.
No, sir, I don't. Taking away people's souls, putting electricity in place of them, ain't progress. Not the way I see it.
We're not taking away people's souls. Just the opposite. We're giving them a chance to have a soul. And it isn't just this dam. It's dam after dam after dam. We aim to tame this whole river.
You do? Well, I like things running wild, like nature meant. There's already enough dams locking things up, taming them, making them go against their natural wants and needs. I'm agin dams of any kind. Oh, you can get me off by force, I reckon. It won't take much force, but it will take some. And that's the only way you ever get me off here. Because I ain't a-going against nature. And I ain't a-crawling for no dang government.